Hello, September 14th. And I've been working on this thing all night with one dish, passive, no wand, and it seems to be working. From Houston, I'm hitting it, and it was in open water, so there's no reason it should have calmed down before it hit land. See, that's water right there. And I didn't notice yesterday, the video yesterday. Look up here in this section right here. You'll see a face, a skull, changing directions, kind of like an X-ray or an MRI. You can see it in layers. See, there it goes. You can see the energy hitting it too. And it starts to come apart. It starts shaking, spiking. All those are telltale signs that Orgone's hitting it. Plus, there's a clockwise spin that's a cold front or a high pressure. Orgone seems to create high pressure situations. I'd say it's working. The rise of Noah's Ark. See, here's a face from yesterday. There's two eyes and a mouth. He's like looking and he turns. He turns into a skull. And then he just goes away. It's very strange. I catch faces like this all the time. Usually over here in Texas, big faces pop up. But over here now, it's over here now. So you can see a kind of face right here as it disappears. You pay attention. It's almost like layers. Right here. Very strange. It's trying to start back up over here, but I don't know what it's going to do. I think it's pretty much finished. But I'll make another recording and if it pops back up. But if it goes away, I probably won't make another one on this guy or this girl. This is Ileana or Ileana or something like that. Have a good weekend, folks. Thank you.